gonna tell her with ideas to come, and I just got some new flowers in. Oh, they're so pretty. So I think these are the same. Yeah, these two are the same. They're so pretty. So I don't have those in yet. Those ones I'll have in soon. But then I got this assortment here that I thought was really, really pretty. So I just wanted to share that with you. Trying not to crinkle. And I was, I got this lace in, and I don't, this thing is something's too bright. I don't know if it's my camera, but I love this French lace. I do have this one in the shop, and I did show you, where is it? I just wanted to share a few things with you. This one the camera really doesn't do it justice, but I don't know if you can see it on Rosie's project that she did, this pin cushion, and she used it right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Makes that look so super. Oh, I just threw one of the stick pins. Okay, I have to find it. It's on the floor, and I'm probably gonna step on it. So that's that lace. That I have that in both shops. And this is a mess. I gotta clean it. Well, my whole place is a mess, so I gotta clean my whole area. And I did get some other new things in, and so I'll be listing some new things in the shop. It's so much. It's so time consuming, and trying to take pictures of the product, which makes it hard too, because you have to have the right light. And I've noticed that some of my photographs are a little overexposed and some are underexposed, and I'm just trying. I never had that problem before, so I'm not quite understanding if it's my camera. I did get a new camera, but I'm learning how to use it. The one that I've used all this time is very simple, very, very simple, very easy. And so, but I'm having problems. So I got a new camera, and I've got to learn how to use it. So, you know, it's a process. And you know, I work full time, and I'm trying to do my shops, and hopefully at some point I can just do my shops, and that would be great. So that's my plan. But wanted to share that with you. Wanted to let you know that I'm gonna try to do the giveaway this weekend. Or I'm gonna plan the giveaway, probably the giveaway video this weekend, and that way, if you're interested in that, keep a watch out. I have a few things. I'm not sure which things I'm going to be doing in the giveaway. I have another, I might have 2 or 3 gifts. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I love these. These are so pretty. I did want to let you know that and stop by real quick and let you know I changed my channel up a little bit, my banner and that, because my channel's not really all about crafting. It's a lot of different things, crafting and family and learning things. I have had to learn a lot of different things for my channel, and I want to give back. I want to share those things. So I've learned how to use the screen on the computer so that I could share that with you. That's in process too as well. So it's a lot. So thanks for sticking with me. Those of you who have, I appreciate it so very much. And I will be back soon with more videos and lots of other things. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.